Hello students, today we are going to start the new chapter light. Well, light is nothing but electromagnetic wave, and we have already discussed in EM wave chapter EM wave that how it is generated, what are its properties and applications. Various things we have discussed extensively. We have also found that how it exerts pressure, but in our day-to-day life we ordinarily take light as a ray. This is because of the fact that when we observe at macroscopic level, means in greater dimensions, if we observe light ray, we see that it appears to travel in a straight line. But that is not true. We shall find it in details in the next chapter. Just after this chapter we shall learn the wave optics, and there we will come to know exactly how the light ray behaves while it propagates from one place to another. So in general we take light ray, for a common people we take light as a ray, means it travels along a straight line. But at microscopic level we find that it is not true. The ray, the beam of light keeps spreading with the distance traveled by it. So for the ordinary people it can be taken as a light ray, and the initial learning of light was based on macroscopic levels of observations. So in this chapter we will learn about light's behavior in terms of ray, and now we find that what are the ways a light ray interacts with the matter. Say for example, when a light ray is incident on one matter, say we are taking a glass pan and we allow some light ray AB to fall on it, then what are the ways of interaction the light can have with the matter? In general it is having three type of interaction with the matter. When light ray is incident on a matter, on a substance, on any body, on any surface, mainly three things happens. One is light is returned back to the same medium from which it has been incident, means from it is returned to the same medium from which the light ray has come on the surface. The incoming light ray is known as incident ray, and the light ray returned back is known as reflected ray. It follows certain law we shall talk just after this topic. Second is light ray can be transmitted through the matter upon which it is incident. Say for example, here we are having a glass material, but it is not necessary that we have transparent materials only. Even if we don't have transparent materials, the light ray can be transmitted through the matter, and it is usually happening however opaque the body is. Okay, the transmission will be less for opaque objects. Say for example, if we allow light ray to pass through a whole thick book, say for example we have 5 pages, a book having five pages, and we incident light ray, we don't have any light coming out of the book. But if we reduce the number of pages, say if we to the extreme we reduce it to 1 page, and when we allow the light to incident on it, then light ray is transmitted through the page if we have only 1 page or very few number of pages. So that means light is transmitted through the material and travels across it. This phenomena is known as transmission. And this phenomena we will learn very shortly in this chapter, that this phenomena causes bending of light while it enters one medium from another. In this case, the light ray is incident from some rarer medium, say air, on a glass, and that is denser medium. While it enters the denser medium, it changes its path, it bends away from its original path. Original path was ABF, but now it takes the new path BC, and each time it changes the medium, it changes its paths, and while it is again entering into the air medium, we assume that glass is placed in air medium, then while it is coming out of the glass, again it bends away from its path, moves away from its original path. Now the direction of path of BC light ray is BCG, but now it is adopting the new path CE. So that means each time the light ray changes the medium, it changes its path. This phenomena is known as refraction. We will learn in details about it very shortly. Now next, the third thing is, which is very important, that whenever light ray is incident on any matter, any surface, a part of it is absorbed by the matter and then also re-radiated. So these are the three phenomena which takes place when light ray is incident on a matter. So these are the three ways in which light ray interacts with the matter. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.